My name is Miriam. I am a DACA recipient and I'll be starting my graduate studies at UC Riverside. Out of my own curiosity, I decided to develop my master's thesis on the experiences of DACA-mented students studying abroad. I wanted to also find out what that experience looked like because I was interested in studying abroad as well. Knowing that a lot of students were able to come back gave me kind of peace of mind and more courage to also be part or think about studying abroad because I also want to go back to Mexico to find out more about my history, my culture, go back and visit family members that I have not seen in over 25 years. Oh, this is the one I was supposed to. When I was doing my research, Advance Parole was still in place, but after 2017, when the Trump administration came in, that was taken away. And so that benefit to be able to petition for Advance Parole is no longer available. It's hard for me to talk about it because for me it's more like going back to, visit, the tomb of someone who has passed away and be able to kind of bring that to a full circle and a realization that they're no longer there, but then also the healing part or the healing aspect of returning back to Mexico. And also, of course, meeting other family members that you care about and unfortunately you haven't been able to see for a very long time. So for me, I would like to go back to be able to, unfortunately, I'm sorry, Lily. I'm trying to be like, and that's why it's so hard.